Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the A minor open pentatonic scale. The A minor open pentatonic scale. And don't forget to subscribe and to like. Now, the A minor pentatonic scale, this is what it looks like and sounds like. So the first note we're going to play is the A on the fifth string. Play it open. The next note we're going to play on the fifth string, third fret, is the C with the ring finger. The next note we're going to play is on the fourth string. Just play it open. That's a D. And then the next note we're going to play is still on the fourth string. With the middle finger, we're going to play that E on the second fret. The next note there we're going to play is on the third string. Play it open. That's your G. Then we'll play on that third string with the middle finger on the second fret. We'll play that A. Then on the second string, first fret with the index finger, we'll play that C. Then on the second string, third fret with the ring finger, we'll play that D. Then on the first string, we'll play that open E. Then we'll play with the index finger on the first string, third fret, the G. Then we'll end it on that fifth fret, first string with the ring finger, play that A. When you play it all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's your A minor open pentatonic scale. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos and keep on jamming.